taking the screws out, they have broke off, so I gotta run to the store and get some stuff to drill them out. All right, so I picked me up a center punch, and then I'm gonna grab 2 packets of these because these tend to break, so it's always best to have more than not enough. So the center punch, so we'll stick on the center of it. Feel that? See, that's what I was talking about with them breaking. We sprayed these with diesel before we poured the concrete. But all that will just chip off. And right here on the seam, once those top it, you can kind of see the seam. We're just gonna hit that with a grinder and knock that seam down. All right, we got the forms pulled. Got it smoothed off. With those blocked off still with the tape and then that plastic. It's like airtight. I don't know if you can hear it.